In our last class, we discussed about the introduction of a plant breeding and the objectives of plant breeding. Today, we will read important achievements of plant breeding. Plant breeding द्वारा आमे कौन कौन पाइजु आमे को फील्ड रे आमे सक्सेसफुल है. Plant breeding aims at increasing the characteristics of the organism so that they will be more desirable agronomically and economically. This is the definition of plant breeding. तो एक क्वेश्चन टा पड़िबो आगे डेफिनेशन टिके दे देबो. We have the main aim to increase the production of the existing crop and also will improve the quality of the crop. So, in this direction, what achievement we have got? Let us discuss different achievement of a plant breeding by the scientists of the world as well as in India. First of all, we will discuss development of dwarf variety. Generally, tall variety lodge and fall down. Lodge माने डेंगा है कि पड़ी जीवा. And they are less responsive to fertilizer. धान गछ जदि बेसी डेंगा है जीवो सी पड़ी जाए. गहम गछ बेसी डेंगा हम जदि सी पड़ी जीवो. We have developed some dwarf varieties of rice and wheat, which are short in stature, which are dwarf and also more responsive to fertilizer. तो मैं जितने fertilizer देले भी तार गछो डेंगा हब नाही, but the yield will increase. The first dwarf rice plant is IR8. प्रथम जो dwarf plant हेइतला that is called IR8. It was developed by International Rice Research Institute at Philippines. International Rice Research Institute अच्छी तक कहा जाए IRRI, International Rice Research Institute, IRRI. In this institute, the first dwarf plant was developed, which is called IR8. हला प्रथम जो गठन आला इंटरनेशनल राइस 8 तार अष्टम ईयर से करथिले. This plant was developed by crossing a Taiwan variety dwarf Taiwan variety DGO-UJ. It's a Taiwan variety, and it was crossed with Indonesian tall variety pelta. এটা হলো dwarf variety, এটা হলো tall variety. This produced a high yielding dwarf variety called IR8. ହେଲା এই গছ এই যে দুইটা গছକୁ ক্রসিং কলা পরে ডি জিও উজেন এটা হলা dwarf Taiwan variety. It was crossed with Indonesian tall variety pelta. ହେଲା দুইটা গছକୁ ক্রস করিকি গোটে প্রথম dwarf plant that is called IR8. It is a dwarf plant and more responsive to fertilizer. এটা ছোট গছ কিন্তু ফর্টিলাইজর দেলে সে গছ শীঘ্র ডেঙ্গা হব না, প্রোডাকশন বহুত হব। Besides this, many other dwarf varieties of plant have been developed taking dwarf gene from Dijiougen or other Japanese varieties. This Japanese variety मध्य short dwarf plant अच्छी जहाँ जीन को नहीं की मन करो इंडियन क्लाइमेट रे इंडियन जो वेराइटीज रे ताको क्रॉस करिकी मध्य dwarf plant आमे पाइछु. जया रत्ना एगुड़ा हला इंडियन वेराइटी which have been developed by Indian Agricultural Research Institute. हला दिल्ली रे अच्छी Indian Council of ICAR Agriculture and Research. So the production of rice has been increased to 5 times than the local variety. Local variety रे गोटे एकर रु जेतिक यील्ड होतला ए जो dwarf high yielding variety डेवलप हेबा द्वारा आमे 5 गुण तार अमल बढ़ाई पारछु. Similarly, dwarf plants have been developed in many vegetables and fruits. केते वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट मानकर मध्य dwarf plant डेवलप होईची. गहम गछर सोनालिका आउर केते वेराइटी बाहरची जोटा गहम गछर मध्य dwarf variety आमे डेवलप करि पारछि. सेकंड होची नोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ सुगर केन. फर्स्ट है dwarf variety. सेकंड होची नोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ सुगर केन. सुगर केन है आखु है नोबेल वेराइटी क्या कह जाए जोड़ा नुआ है नूतनत्व तार थी नोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ सुगर केन. नोबेल केन तक बोली कह जाए. द नोबेल केन कंटेन थिक केन तार जो आखु जोटा तार मोटा थी तार कांडटा मोटा थी एंड द कंटेन मोर जूस पर यूनिट एरिया तार जूस कंटेंटा बेसी थाए. द वाइल्ड केन is thin and contain very less amount of juice, sugary juice. Wild cane जोटा मिले तार जो केन गुड़ा बहुत सरू पतला एवं टाण तार रिंडा चोपाटा बहुत टाण कंटेन लेस sugary juice. When the Indian sugarcane variety was crossed with the other variety of sugarcane, high yielding varieties of sugarcane, they produced sugarcane which had thick stem and also contain more juice. This is called nobilization of sugarcane. थर्ड होची डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हाइब्रिड मेज. Generally, the open pollinated variety of maize produced small cob. Cob का कहा जाए जो मक्काटा जोटा बाहर जोटा सीधा कहा जाए cob. Small cob and a less number of seeds. But hybrid maize contain large cob. The cob टा बड़ा होतिबो and contain more seeds. By hybridization, we have developed large sized maize, but the hybrid maize has some drawback. The seed setting is sometimes found less due to difficulty in pollination, but composite varieties of maize have been developed which are better than the hybrid variety. Composite variety is better than the hybrid variety. So hybrid maize is more suitable for cultivation, and it has been found that the production of maize has been increased due to development of composite variety. Next hochi higher yielding variety. Higher yielding variety. The yield of different crops have been increased manifold, अनेक गुणरे बढ़ी manifold by development of improved varieties of crop plant. For example, we'll see the production of coconut. The local variety of coconut produced 150 knots per year. 150 टा नोडिया वर्ष को मिले. But by different process of hybridization, we have developed coconut plant which produces 250 to 270 knots per year. तेणु आम 100टा नोडिया गोटे वर्ष गोटे गोटे गचर अधिका आम पाई. Similarly, the rice production have been increased 5 times more than the previous local varieties of rice plant. Due to improvement in the yield, we have been able to provide sufficient food to the growing population. जो population of India is increasing day by day. प्रत्येक दिन इंडिया रे वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, बट द लैंड मास इज कांस्टेंट और रादर रिड्यूसिंग. We can increase the yield by providing fertilizer to the plant, by providing assured irrigation, and by protecting the plants from pests and diseases by using insecticide and pesticides. But this was found still insufficient to provide food to the growing population from the existing variety. Scientists tried to develop high yielding varieties of plants which will be more productive than the local standard variety. So in this way we have provided sufficient amount of food grain to the growing population so that they will not be starved and die due to shortage of food. Next hochi improvement in quality. improvement in quality. There are instances where people suffer from different types of diseases due to insufficient minerals, vitamins in their diet. Due to absence of vitamin A, people suffer from night blindness. Due to insufficient in vitamin C, the people suffer from scurvy. Due to insufficient of vitamin B, the people suffer from mouth diseases or mouth lesions. So it has been found that by improving the quality of the food grain and fruit and vegetables, we can provide sufficient nutrient material to the general people. The poorer section of the society, they do not find enough money to buy fruits and vegetables. They use only rice to fulfill their belly. So it has been found that if we can increase the quality of the rice and if we can introduce some plants which will provide vitamin A in the rice, because rice provides carbohydrate, it has no vitamins. But nowadays we have developed golden rice, which contain keratin. Keratin is a precursor of vitamin A. If the poorer section will use this golden rice, they will get vitamin A, so that they will not suffer from night blindness. Understood? Then there are some varieties of cabbage, bandhakobi, tomato, which contain different types of vitamins in them. This has been possible due to development of cabbage and tomato, which contain vitamin or amino acids. You will say amino acids, which provide protein and enzymes in the body. Next of the disease resistant and insect resistant plant. When we see any disease in the crop plant, we generally use pesticides, but the pesticides are found more costly and also they pollute the soil, water and also the air. Therefore, in order to avoid this, scientists have developed resistant varieties of plant which can ward off diseases. Diseases को avoid कर पारे, they will avoid diseases, ताको रोग हबो नहीं. This is safer and less expensive. जो जदि आमे गोटे प्लांट वेराइटी की बाहर कर देले जोटा की ताको रोग हबो नहीं, तेणु आमको आ पेस्टिसाइड तापर पकाया पड़िबो नहीं, तेणु pollution हबो नहीं, एवं this is also less expensive. We have developed resistant varieties of maize, cotton and some fruits and vegetables which are resistant to insect and pests. Bitti brinjal, bitti cotton, bitti maize have been developed which are resistant to insect pest. Next, development of new crop varieties. We have developed some new varieties of plant. Suppose, say for example, we have a desire to create a plant which will produce a potato from the underground part and a tomato from the aerial part. गोटे गछर आम दुईटा फल पाई परिबा, तळु पाई परिबा आलू, गोटे पाई परिबा ऊपर पाइबा टमाटो. सेमती गोटे गछरु आम पाई परिबा तळु पाई परिबा मूला, ऊपर पाई परिबा कोबी. So a Russian scientist Karpachenko, he crossed a cabbage plant with a Raphanus sativus. Raphanus sativus है मूला, cabbage है बंधा कोबी, है Brassica oleracea. He crossed two plants and he got a hybrid plant which had a root like cabbage. बंधा कोबी रकम चेर है, but leaf like radish, मूला रकम तार पत्र है. So this is a new type of plant, but the result was just reverse. He desired to get root like radish, मूलार चेर हवा चाहूला सेटा बंधा कोबी चेर है गला, किंतु तार जो ऊपर पत्र उडा सेटा बंधा कोबी हवा कथा सेटा है गला मूला पत्र है गला. So it is an undesirable plant, but there must be some procedure by which we can create a new plant from which we can get two types of crop. The only successful new plant is triticale. गहम आउ जौ ये दीटा गछ को क्रॉस करके गोटे गछ कराई ता ना हला ट्रिटिकल. गहम हला ट्रिटिकम एस्टिवम, जौ गछ होची सिकल सीरियल. ये दीटा गछ को क्रॉस करके जो गछ हम पाइछे से गछ ना ट्रिटिकल. इट इज एज हार्डी एज राई. है राई गछ जोटा जौ गछटा से बहुत टाण पवन देले पड़िबो नाही, किंतु गहम गछटा पवन देले पड़ी जाए. तेन से गछटा जो गहम जो हाइब्रिड जो आम पाइले it is critical, it is as hardy as rye plant and as productive as wheat. It is the only successful intergenic hybrid which we have got so far. But other desires that we will get potato and tomato from one plant, radish and cabbage from one plant, it is under process. A day may come where we will be successful to get these plants. So these are the different types of achievements which we have got by breeding methods. Then there is a subject that what is the undesirable consequence of plant breeding. Plant breeding हवा द्वारा आम कौन कौन असुविधा हम कही. Breeding method involve procurement of plant from foreign countries, and also we have exported some plant to foreign countries. भारत रू बाहर को किसी गछ जाइछि तांक से गछ नथिला किबा किसी गछ आमर नथिला जोटा का बाहर आनिछि. During the procurement some diseases have been introduced into India and some insect pests that are present in those plants have been introduced into India. And also it has been seen that some introduced plant have been weed in our country. Suppose जोटा पार्थेनियम बोली कहते गाजर ग्रास रास्ता कटरे बर्तन बहुत होची छोट छोट धला फूल हुए सेटा it was that seed of that plant came from foreign country along with the wheat. गहम सहित से गछर मंजी गुड़ा आस्तिला. It has become a problem in India. तेणु उइड अनेक प्रकार उइड आम जो फॉरेन जो इंट्रोड्यूस जो प्लांट ता मंजी गुड़ा सांगर आसिकी आम गछ उइड हो. सो इट इज अनडिजायरेबल कन्सिक्वेंसेस. गोटे डाहाणी मारी गोटे गछ अच्छी आर्जिमोन मेक्सिकाना गोटे गछ अच्छी दे केम फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंट्रीज एंड बिकम उइड इन आवर कंट्री. नेक्स्ट होची डिजीजेस. डिफरेंट डिजीजेस हैव बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू इंडिया फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज. So this is another undesirable consequences. Next होची insect pest. Some of the insect pests have also been introduced from foreign countries into India, and also from India some of the insect pests have been introduced into foreign countries. So these are some of the undesirable consequences of plant breeding. These two questions, one is objective of plant breeding, second is achievements in plant breeding and undesirable consequences. Either dita mistake as pario, what are the achievements of plant breeding and what are the undesirable consequences. Gote question as pare kimba what is the undesirable consequences of plant breeding, short note gote as pare. हेले आमे गोटे पार्ट पढ़िले बर्तमान ये जो यूनिट 1 आमे पढुजे से यूनिट 1 रो गोटे आमे पढ़िले ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ प्लांट ब्रीडिंग एंड अचीवमेंट ऑफ प्लांट ब्रीडिंग, अनडिजायरेबल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ प्लांट ब्रीडिंग. नेक्स्ट आमे पढ़िबा जे रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स, क्रॉप प्लांट रो किंती रिप्रोडक्शन होउची, वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन होउची, एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होउची, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होउची, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन पढ़िबा, different types of asexual reproduction पढ़िबा, different types of sexual reproduction पढ़िबा. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे सेटा पढ़िबा.